Righto, when you're putting the wheel back on, as you can see, it's at an angle. So all you do is you bring it around, and I'm just levering it off the back just to line it up with the top one, because the top one's the first one. I just bring it down nice and slow. You might be able to see that coming on the stud. Use my body, just push it in a bit, just keep coming down, and on she goes. And she sits there. Hold it with one hand. Now if I was in the dirt, I'd have that on something so I didn't get a lot of dirt and stuff in me on my threads. One big thing I will say is, like, if you ever had a breakdown, just prepare yourself. Get yourself sorted out. Don't have stuff everywhere. That's how you lose bolts and nuts. And when you're out and on your own, if you don't carry a lot of spares, it's usually that nut you can't find later on. And like I said, you don't need rattle guns and stuff, but I do find now they're quite good, reasonably priced. Have them on your truck. I have an extra breaker bar. There's a whole toolkit. Most fellas should be running around with their own tool sets. Now these don't have to be super tight, but just give them some. And then what I'll do is I'll get another set of nuts and I'll put a lock nut on there. We've got a provision for a padlock. Happy days. Then I'm still under tension, so you don't take that off until you're fully done, just from a safety point of view. My spanner's still here. Drop him down. Unsnap. I'll just cable tie that there so it don't rattle around. Bring him around, lock him back in. Happy. Pull my pins. Always hold it, don't let it go, it'll hit you in the head. Drop your pins in. So the whole thing, I haven't timed it, but I reckon I could have a wheel off in a couple of minutes. But you should never be in a hurry unless the tide's coming in. I just hook it onto there, so it just keeps a bit of tension so it doesn't bounce around. Take your ratchet spanner off because it will fall off and you'll lose it. Always count your tools when you're done. That's one big thing. I have a tool roll, everything's got its place. There's nothing worse than doing 1,000 kilometres and realising your breaker bar is where you had it. See you later.